हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं ऐश्वर्या और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में। काफी दिन हो चुके हैं। इट्स बीन क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग सिंस आई फिल्म्ड अ वीडियो एंड अपलोडेड एंड आई वाज रियली मिसिंग रिकॉर्डिंग एंड व्हाई आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू बिकॉज आई वाज क्वाइट स्टक विद माय शिफ्टिंग होम एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. So here I am with a Myntra haul, amazing deals, and I thought why not to share with you guys. And so in this video I'm going to show you all the workout gears you definitely you should have, which will make you very stylish in the gym and which will definitely make you stand out in your gym and wherever you're working out or maybe your dance classes or anything, and in much cheaper way. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and hit the like button. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Going to have a lot of collection of sweatshirts and trousers and tights and every essential you need for a gym wear or maybe for your dance practice or maybe for your dance classes. So yeah, this video is going to be really helpful because this video has all very cheap items which are on sale right now and you can just go and grab the offer. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'll be showing you all the tracks or the tights which I have got, and price will be mentioned on the screen because I really don't remember. I will just give you a rough idea of the price. So first tights which I bought is this one. So this one is from HRX, and you can see how stretchable it is. It's like the cloth is very comfy, very good and very stretchable. Like this is like my favorite purchase from from Myntra, sorry. And this has a light design sort of stuff below your leg. So it gives you a very stylish look. Plus it's very comfortable, spots free and sweat free. And this is of HRX, and I got this for maybe somewhere around 600. Exact price I'll be mentioning on this screen. And this is like my favorite. It's very comfortable, very amazing. Yeah. So this was my first purchase. Second purchase is also a tights. So this also I got from HRX, and this looks like this, kind of a camouflage print you can say. So yeah, this looks like this. It's a high waist pant, normal, very stretchable, and it also has a back pocket like this. You can see it has a chain in which you can keep your key or maybe your small phone while you're going out for a run or something. So yeah, this is very helpful, very stretchable, and this my size in this was S. So yeah, and this was also around somewhere around 600 or something, and this looks really cool. Like, and maybe I will keep a photo over here wherever I'm wearing this so you can get an idea of how it looks and all that stuff. So yeah, very cheap, very affordable and very comfy. So next up, which I really wanted to, since I am teaching Zumba, so I just wanted to get that loose pants you have seen in the videos, right? Very cool loose dancing pants, and also it's a track pant kind of sort. So first time on Myntra, I was just going through the site and looking for the track pants, and I got my hands on really cool, track pants and all. Just I'll be sharing with you guys, and very amazing price. Like it's the best deal you can ever get. So first track pant is again from HRX. This is of black color, which has a orange lining like this. So it's basically a track pant like this, and it has a down some time thing like this, which makes this track pants really stylish. And the other leg, this has HRX written over here, as you can see. So this is like really cool. You can pair this up with a crop top. Basically a crop top, because if you wear with a long top, it will give you it will not give your body a shape. So this thing you have to wear with a crop top and maybe a cap, and you're good to go for a dance performance or something like that. So it's really cool, really comfy, and the material is also very nice, very thick. And this I exactly remember the price because this was a steal, and this I got for $5.99. Just imagine, this track pant of this quality I got just for $5.99. Isn't it amazing? So yeah, just go and grab the offer. So next track pant which I wanted to show you guys is really stylish, and I will definitely give a video clip of where I'm wearing this. So this is a black track pant, high waist, very high waist, and behind the leg, below the knee. So this track pant is really stylish, and from the knee, like above the knee and little below the knee, this has this style net kind of a thing, as you can see. And this is the bottom is like little stretch, which gives the shape like a bit of a wrapper sort of shape to your body. And this is high waist, so you should definitely wear this with a crop top. And as you can see, it's like little long, so you can just pull the other leg up and just design it very nicely with a black cap or with a black sports bra. It goes very well, and it looks super cool, super comfy, super cool, and super stylish. And this I got for somewhere around 800 or something, and not bad, guys. See the style, the design, the what do you say, the style, the design, the quality, everything is really good. And yeah, I personally love this. Like, it's really amazing. So next up, I'm going to show you all the sweatshirts I ordered. Sweatshirts or jackets. I was really looking for some kind of different workout wear, not just normal t-shirts. I really wanted to have a jacket or sweatshirt kind of thing. So I just ordered a lot of them. So just wait and watch and watch till the end. So first sweatshirt I got is a black hoodie kind of t-shirt, if you can say, is this one, as you can see here. And this is in small, which is very loose for me, but I really like to have loose kind of clothes in the gym, especially hoodie. So this also has a hoodie, and this quality is like really amazing. As you can see, somewhere around polyester, the cloth is polyester, and this is of Dressberry, and this was around somewhere around 500 maybe, I don't remember. So yeah, and this is like really comfy. I've already worn it twice to the gym, and like it's really comfy, and it's sweat absorbing also, so it's really good. So next up, which I ordered is a white hoodie, which I paired with my this track. So I ordered a crop white hoodie like this. So yeah, it's this one, which has a Tokyo written on it, and this is like this. It's a crop hoodie, as you can see, and I paired this and this together, and it looked, guys, amazing. Like, it was giving a fully dancer feeling and all that stuff. And it also has a hoodie, so it's not very thick. You can wear it very nicely in the gym, and yeah, it's very comfy, very stylish, and I love it. And this is also very cheap, somewhere 500-600. Exact price I'll be mentioning on the screen. Yeah. And also, don't forget to check the description box. All the links of the products I have shared in this video will be in the description box. The next hoodie, next jacket or something which I ordered is from HRX. So this is it. This is the jacket. So it is like white and blue, and somewhere a yellow lining is also there. And this is a full jacket kind of stuff, and this has a black polyester kind of cloth here, and it has a elastic on the sleeves, as you can see here. And this is like really cool. It doesn't have a hoodie, it's a plain jacket of HRX. HRX is written over here, and this is like really comfy, very stylish. I will just put your picture over here. And yeah, I really enjoyed wearing this, and it gave a very nice look, you guys. And it was also around somewhere maybe 700 or something like that. So the next stuff which I ordered is also from HRX. It's also a sweatshirt, which I have not worn yet, but I am really excited and looking forward to wear. So this one is a sweatshirt like this, as you can see. So it's of 3 color and proper sweatshirt, normal sweatshirt. Very comfy clothes, as you can see, little bit thick, and so in AC and all, it will be like giving you a nice warm feeling. So it's really cool, really nice, and really amazing. And price is also somewhere around 700. So next and the last thing which I want to show you guys is my favorite, and I'm really looking forward to wear this. But I'm waiting for a thing so that I can style it nicely. So as I told, these days I'm into hoodies and track pants and little bit, changing my look for the gym, because most of the time I spend in the gym. So yeah. So the next thing I ordered is a red crop hoodie, and guys, how cool this is. Like, can you see it? It has a yellow white lining like this, and a hoodie, and the cloth is also very good. The material is also very good, and it's crop, and it's so amazing. I'm planning to pair this up maybe with the same kind of red color and with a white border track pants, or maybe with a black track pants and a red shoe. I don't know, it is going to look amazing. And if I get a picture before uploading this video, if I'm wearing it, definitely I'll share with you guys. So yeah, this is like my favorite purchase. It's very stylish and very cheap. So yeah, this was it about this video. I hope you guys like it, and all the looks I'll share. And to see more about my looks, you can follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is just here. And I love to shop from Myntra these days. The track pants, the sweatshirt, the shoes, everything is really amazing. And they always have an offer, guys. So please wait for offer. Don't just go and shop like this. And yeah, and I hope this video is helpful for you in some way or the other. And if it is, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends, and buy all awesome clothes, and just look good. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. Bye bye.